today I'm just going to do a video on boat parkour. But today I'm just going to do one jump. And, well, it's actually pretty easy. Just, if I make the wrong end, it won't be pretty.
Yeah.
So, okay. First of all, it's freezing out here, so I have a jacket. It's going to be long because it is new now. Okay. 5, 4, 3, 1.
Yeah, you made
Well, I
it.
guess that was easy. So this video might have seemed a little boring to you guys. So we're gonna add some extras to it. That was actually pretty fun. So
Here, let me get some of the action, like inside of the boat. The boat here.
I guess I will do boat parkour because that was just a little too short.
Okay, I'm scared to do this.
So I could think I might run into.
Yeah. Nice.
God. Okay.
I'm scared to do this. It's hard.
I think I'm gonna do that again, but this time
Woo, I just flipped.
I'm gonna do
I'm gonna
that
slip
again,
on
but
that.
this time you'll get a video from. Okay.
Yeah, you done it. Yeah.
What? I'm gonna jump.
This is what he jumped across. Whee!
I think they already saw that.
Yeah,
I'm gonna
but
do
not.
it again, but this time you'll fall for that.
Okay, nice. It's good that you don't make the wrong
It's
turn.
actually really easy.
Yeah, but it is Christine Cabate here.
Ow, crap.
Oh, plus he will be making a channel soon.
Oh yeah.
Make sure to check it out. It will be called Fred Birthday too.
Okay.
We got it from Finance of Freddy's. If you don't know what that is, it's like the
Okay. You
awesomest
don't have to
game
explain
ever.
what the game is. Okay.
I'm not explaining. Just I'm telling them.
Okay.
It's really cool. It's really
Last
scary
night we was
too.
gonna make this video, but it got too dark. And his tablet was dead, so just so you're gonna make it today because there's nothing really else to do
Ugh.
except for.
My hand keeps on getting in the way. Etc.
Yeah, there's really nothing to do.
Yeah, that's what we're doing boat parkour. I guess you can call this.
You could play on your Xbox, but your TV is just your thing.
Yeah, we could. I mean, we could record someday. Actually, yeah, someday I
Why
might
are
do.
we recording this? Oh, people want to see boat parkour, not us talking.
Yeah, we talk all the time.
I know, but videos.
But I guess sometime in the future I will be doing Minecraft
Yeah,
or Terraria, like, cause I used to be awesome. I used to have red wings and
hopefully for my birthday or
Terra's Blade and Terra Blade.
today's the
I
December
used to have
20th.
them.
Today's the December 21st.
Yeah, yesterday was my niece's birthday,
So yeah.
so I didn't get to record on that. But my sister and my mom won't let me record anybody else, like my cousin and niece and
We just get on with the video.
yeah, let's just get on.
I'm driving.
It's not really how you drive.
I know. 50 miles an hour. Okay, I'm already out of gas. I'm drowning. I'm drowning. The boat's sinking.
The gas thing's over there.
Overboard. Back in the boat.
There's the gas thing. It says gas on there.
I hear that stupid Jaws music. Duh.
Yeah, it says gas. You can see.
Oh yeah, it's saying I miss us closer, deflated. See.
Etc.
Phew.
I don't know why I keep on saying etc. Etc.
Oh. Okay, well guys, we might make a video later on today.
Yeah, I'm gonna do
Jacob, I was talking.
okay.
What the heck, dude?
But my name's Christine Cabate.
I ain't gonna call you by your YouTube name.
Fine, Charlie! I was talking!
Why do you have to be so stupid? Okay. Okay. Well, we might do one later on today, but for now, see you guys later.
No.
Oh gosh, fine, you do your own video.
I know. Yeah, but,
You said you wasn't even gonna introduce your name in this video. I shouldn't have trusted you, you're such a liar.